Oh. I'm no color theory expert, but it's a match. I zonked so hard that I completely forgot that I'm watching my trainer's riding lesson this morning. It's currently 6:30, but let's get this day started. My makeup is done. I'm gonna do a little bit of reading, get my riding outfit on, and go to the barn. Today I'm reading On Writing by Stephen King. Weird fun fact about me, I always use a necklace as my bookmark. I don't really know why, but it's cute. Oh my goodness, I completely forgot to put my glasses on and I am struggling right now. I'm not entirely sure how long I've been reading for, but I started on page 88 and now I'm on page 114. Every day before I get myself breakfast, I feed all my pets, so let's do that. First, let's feed the cats. This is Minnie. I actually found her at the lawn. I think she's about 8 months old now, I'm not entirely sure. This is William, he's my childhood cat. I've had him for, well, he is 14 years old. I've had him for 14 years as well. So he's basically just grown up with me his entire life. And this is Rosie. This is actually William's sister. Also 14 years old, they're twins. They have the same little tuxedo marks, except she acts a lot older than William. Now let's go feed the dogs.
How are you doing? Hi. Good morning, Rupert. Good morning. Oh, hi, Emma. Come on, let's go to the toilet. Come on. Hi, I love you. Go on. Scratchies. Foot scratchies.
They both went to the toilet, so of course they deserve a treat. Oh. Rupert. Sit. Oh. Good boy. Now that everyone else is being fed, let's feed myself. My little cat is currently standing in the water bowl. We currently have no fruit in the house, so that's another task for today, is to go grocery shopping. But on my oatmeal, I'm gonna put some honey and cinnamon. I have no idea how people make that oatmeal and porridge look cute, but this is what we're looking like. Okay, time for a taste test. That's really good. I'll rate that a 10 out of 10. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this and then get changed for the ball.
Stop, you're eating my hand. See a biggie. Oh my goodness.
I just got home and these are my boots before I clean them. And this is after. Tell me that is not a huge glow up. I just showered after the barn and this is my little outfit. I'm going to cry. Look what my mom just picked up from the virtual mailbox. Isn't she gorgeous? I'm no color theory expert, but it's a match.
A few moments later.
You're so golden.
I was running far away, would have enough. Well, someday nobody knows, nobody knows. One single thread of gold, tell me you.
Okay, sue me. I changed outfits again, but for a good cause this time. I was doing all my dress transitions, so I had to change out of my ball gown dress, obviously. But I am going to the salon right now, and I'm getting these highlights all removed, I guess. So basically they're just dyeing my hair back to brunette. But I was wearing a white t-shirt before, So I put on this little navy top from Hollister. So let's go to the salon. I'm so hungry right now.